Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best zero-gravity lounge chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the best choice product set of 2 adjustable zero-gravity lounge chair recliners. This is an ultra-grade zero-gravity lounge chair perfect for handling up to 250 pounds of weight. The ultra-quality UV-resistant mesh makes it ideal for outdoors. Another thing, the product boasts a smooth reclining system with an excellent locking feature for ultimate comfort. It comes with elastic cords which conveniently adjust to one's body for ultimate comfort. Something else, the package includes convenient cup holders strategically positioned for easy access. The detachable tray offers quick access to drinks and other necessities without the need for one to stand up. Moving on at number 4, we have the Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Chair. This is yet another beige zero-gravity lounge chair boasting a unique design for ultimate relaxation. It features a durable textiline construction which makes it sturdy and long-lasting. The ultra-tough fabric attaches to the durable coated steel frame using suspended bungees. Additionally, this product offers a smooth recline function which adjusts without the need for the user to stand. Another thing, the adjustable lumbar and headrest support guarantees ultimate comfort and better performance. The product also offers excellent lockable recline feature which allows one to rest a specific angle for a while. The double fingertip locking design adds to the remarkable features, making this a great product. Lastly, this is an ultra-tough product holding up to 300 pounds of weight capacity. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Outdoor Zero Gravity Lounge Folding Chair. This product boasts a beige finish which makes it quite adorable. The powder-coated steel construction makes it perfect for outdoors. Powder-coated steel resists corrosion and rusting, thus making it ideal for all outdoor weather conditions. Furthermore, this product boasts an excellent zero-gravity construction, which relieves weight for ultimate relaxation. The ultralight construction makes it portable. Additionally, this top-tier lounge chair comes with dual bungee support for secure connection of the frame to the sturdy textiline fabric. The ultra-quality design makes it perfect for holding up to 300 pounds. Another thing, this product comes with a padded headrest which offers extra comfort for the user. The contoured armrest provides additional support and comfort for the user. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Padded Zero Gravity Chair. This is another 2-pack zero-gravity chair featuring a padded design for added comfort. The quilted design offers ultimately relaxing outdoor experiences. Furthermore, the product comes with a removable pillow which offers excellent headrest support and protection. It also comes with TWO handy cup holders, one for each chair. These cup holders allow one to quickly and conveniently sip their beverages and drinks without getting off the seat. Another thing, this chair folds to a compact size for convenient carrying from one place to the other. The small folded size also offers easy storage. What's more, this chair boasts an ultra-tough steel construction which delivers ultimate durability. The sturdy Oxford cotton fabric adds to its durable construction, making it perfect for outdoor uses. The blue color gives it a stylish finish. And finally at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Chair with Side Table. This is a 2-pack zero-gravity chair which comes with a side table for holding drinks or other valuables as you rest. The product boasts a perfect design for added comfort and convenience. It also comes with 2 removable pillows which offer adequate support for the lumbar and the headrest. Additionally, the package includes 2 cup holders allowing one to sip their favorite drinks without worries easily. In total, there are 4 cup holders. Why 4 cup holders? Well, there are 2 holders for both chairs and then 2 extra holders fixed to the table. The entire package folds for easy carrying. The folding design also offers easy and convenient storage after use. Another thing, this chair features an entirely reclining design. The lockable recline feature makes it better. For instance, it allows the user to lock the chair after assuming their perfect angle between 0 degree and 170 degrees. The ultra-tough material gives the chair unsurpassed durability, making it ideal for harsh outdoor uses. It features a durable steel frame combined with an ultra-quality textiline fabric for ultimate durability. Additionally, the product comes in a tan color, which resists dirt. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.